Today I'm heading to Staunton, Virginia. It's a little crisp this morning. Probably should have put the sweatshirt on, but I'm in a hurry to get underway. See the sun coming up over there. An oversized load. Holy crap, would you look at the size of that thing? I have no idea what the hell that is, but I want to get around it very quickly. Weather barrier system. Oh man, I'm about an hour 25 minutes out. Got off real quick at Wawa to get some egg, well, I don't know, the little egg things. There's 2 of them in there and a coffee, and then right back into the grind. Nothing like 3 hours and 20-something minutes on a 2-lane straight highway where the trucks come over and then they don't move. In the left lane, that is. Good times, friends, good times. Burgers and beer in Staunton, Virginia, count me in. We're going to Depot Burger. What's up? If you're new to my channel, it's called Gears of Snore, and I'm in Staunton, VA. Me and Matt are going to get a burger. Staunton's beautiful. This is the, I guess you call it downtown, the main area. Old brick buildings. Really nice area. We went to the coffee place, but it got packed. And it was getting to be feeding time. Kick-ass freaking lowrider. Got the blockhead exhaust on it. Sounds pretty good. Oh goody, another red light. If only all rides were this short, huh? Oof. This parking lot sucks. Check out the train cars. Huh? Depot Grille, Staunton, Virginia. Yeah, I apologize. I know this video is a little all over the place. Gotta tell you, that was like the best crab cake sandwich I've ever had, and the bartender slash waitress was awesome to us. Awesome. And the interior is something else. in the area of Staunton, Virginia, that one's a must go to. Definitely good. I'll give it the moonwalk into a head spin, land in the b-boy stance. Thumbs up. That's right. That damn good. Made it this far, I thank you for watching. Drop my videos every Wednesday and Friday at 3 p.m. until the winter comes, and it's just Fridays at 3 p.m. I hope you'll come back next week, and I promise the video won't be all over the place.